Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Plants vs. Zombies 2 and choosing zones that actively drop seed packets. This matters because not every map gives the rarer packets. Once loaded, pick a strong plant roster suited to the zone and keep plant food available for clutch plays. Begin grinding repeatable levels or event nodes immediately, concentrating on stages known to award seed packets. As you play, prioritize survival and speed to maximize reward rolls and trigger end-of-level chests that contain the packets you need. Once you're in rhythm, focus on the game mechanics that increase packet haul. Replay the specific levels and event nodes that list seed packet rewards, because repetition raises your total over time. Make sure to use boosters and plant food strategically to clear difficult waves fast, which increases chest frequency and quality. Keep sun production stable so you don't stall. Quicker clears mean more reward screens per hour. Also, claim event and daily login rewards, as they often add packets. Stacking these sources speeds progress significantly. To finish each session, immediately open every chest and event reward before exiting to ensure packets are credited. Delayed claiming can cause soft locks. Then use collected packets to upgrade the targeted plants, which is the goal. Track remaining packet counts so you know which levels to grind next. If seeds stop dropping or rewards feel reduced, try switching to a different zone or restarting the app and reconnecting to your account, because sometimes server sync or cached data prevents new drops from appearing. This simple restart often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.